how to redeem code for your YouTube Premium. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply go to your preferred browser and then search for redeem YouTube code. And now this is the one you will get. All you have to do is search for YouTube slash redeem and open this application or this website. Now it will link you in this interface. All you have to do is enter your gift card code and then you tap on next. After that you will get YouTube Premium if your redeem code is valid. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll